Hey everyone, it's Aideni from Magoosh here. So I'm here to go over some GRE vocabulary words with secondary meanings. So the GRE is often tricky in that they don't ask you for the most common or the first meaning of a word. They'll often ask you for the secondary or even the third meaning of a word. So you do have to know these alternatives and don't get tricked into using a word's first meaning. And feel free to pause the video as we go along and see if you can figure out the definition as well. So the first word we're going to go over is tender. Now this doesn't mean a warm hug from your mom or your best friend. So tender in this case is a verb, and an example of it is, with this letter I tender my resignation. So what do you think that means? So in this case, tender means to give out. Okay, so the next word that we're going to go over is intimate. On the surface level, you might read it as intimate, meaning like close to someone. But in this case, it doesn't have anything to do with love or intimacy. The secondary meaning actually means to suggest something subtly. So here's an example. With her body language, Anna intimated that she wasn't comfortable giving her speech anymore. So did you get that one right? Let us know. So the third word that I'm going to go over is wanting. Now this doesn't mean anything to do with Christmas presents or anything else you desire a lot. So in this meaning, wanting actually means lacking. So if your knowledge of secondary meanings is wanting, this post is a perfect place to start learning. Or for this example, this video is a perfect place to start learning. Fourth word, becoming. So this wouldn't be used in the sense that you turn into something. So becoming in this case means to match nicely. And in this case, it becomes an adjective. See, I'm using the first meaning of become there. So here's an example. Her dress was becoming and it made her look even more beautiful. So fifth word we're gonna go over is dart. So this one is a little tricky because it's sort of similar to the first meaning, to begin, but in this case, it means to suddenly move or dart in a particular direction. So here's an example. He started like a deer in headlights when I snuck up behind him. You can kind of think of startled also. When you start, you just move really fast as if reacting to something because you're in danger. Six, fleece. Nothing to do with lambs here. If you have been fleeced is to deceive. Here's an example. Remember Joe who fleeced me in college of $200? Yeah, he recently got charged with embezzlement. In this case, fleece is to be tricky. Think of a wolf in sheep's clothing. So I hope that was helpful. Let us know if you want more videos like this.